This video shows you how to process spectacle remakes, redispensers and replacements in iClarity. Replacement spectacles. This process can be used to order an exact replacement of a previous order. Open the dispensers form for the relevant patient. The second drop-down list at the top shows the previously confirmed dispensers. Select the dispense you would like to repeat from the drop-down and click Repeat Dispense. The Update RX button will be pink if there is a more recent prescription available. If you are wanting to use the most recent prescription in this replacement, you can click the Update RX button. Check that the products are still available and complete the dispense as normal. Spectacle remakes. This process can be used if the patient has a pair of spectacles that need to be remade due to a quality issue. In the dispense form for the relevant patient, select from the drop-down list of confirmed dispensers the dispense that needs replacing. Click Repeat Dispense. If there is nothing wrong with the frame and it is just the lenses that are faulty, click the Reglaze button and select from previous purchases the frame. Navigate to the Lenses tab and in the Lens Notes, type the reason for the return and reference the original order number. Get to the Finishes and Totals tab. Select the Adjustment Reason Remake in the Overall Adjustment Reason field. The price will be adjusted to $0, but can be amended if necessary. Confirm the dispense as normal. Redispense, for example, for a non-toll. In the patient's record, click on the Orders button. In the Ordering Notes, on the original order, make a note for future reference that the patient has had a non-toll and the reason for the spectacles being redispensed. Open the dispense form for the patient. If the patient is having new lenses into their own frame, select Reglaze. If the patient is having a different frame, choose the new frame from the Choose Frame button. Navigate to the Lenses tab and select the lenses that the patient is having. Complete any other extras that are required for the dispense. Select the Redispense Adjustment Reason in the Overall field. If you are not charging the patient for the redispense, override the price so that it says $0. If the patient is going to be charged for any upgrades, or if you are going to refund the patient for any downgrades, then do not amend the price. Confirm the dispense with the full total to pay. Confirm the dispense. If the patient is having 2 pairs, you can start a new dispense now. Exit the dispense module so that the new dispense is entered onto the till. In this example, the patient needs to pay for an upgrade. Tick the box next to the redispense on the till and highlight with a single click the original dispense that the patient has already paid for. Then click on the Transfer Payments button. Select the option Transfer Whole Amount and then click Transfer. This will move the money that the patient paid on the original dispense across to the new dispense. Now you can take the remaining payment that the patient needs to pay for the upgrade. And the original dispense sale needs to be written off. In this example, the patient is owed money. Again, check the box next to the redispense and highlight the original dispense with a single click. Click on the Transfer Payments button and select to transfer the whole amount. This will move the money that the patient paid for the original dispense to the new dispense, which will be green because the patient is owed money. To refund the patient, select the redispense sale, click Enter Payments, select the type that you are going to return the money to the patient with, and confirm the amounts. You can now write off the original sale.